This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our programming. This is a global emergency.
The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. I really hate to say this, but our planet is coming to an end tonight. At 8:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, as well all astronomers across the globe, has discovered a planet in our solar system, named HD 106900, will collide with Earth in the next 2 hours. This planet is 22 times the size of Earth. This planet's Mars and Venus has been confirmed to be destroyed by this cataclysmic astronomical event. NASA made some disturbing news about this deadly event. It's confirmed that there will be no way to stop the situation from escalating any further. When this planet strikes Earth, the effects will be world-ending. The planet will be shattered by the force of the impact, and all life will cease to exist but earthquakes and a super-fast firestorm. Humanity will not survive this catastrophe. Astronomical event. The only thing that we can do is to gather with your family and friends and await your death. This station will sign off for the final time while the national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. God bless you all.